Hey everybody, this is Andrew, and we're doing a fun little drill where we use a partner and a medicine ball, and it really gets you in shape to spar. So let's check out Jacob. He is going to be the victim in this wonderful drill. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. We're going. So our friend Nick here is just trying to make it a little difficult for Jacob. We're playing fetch. There's a lot of reaction involved. You have to decelerate all that body weight as you go down to get the ball. And Nick is counting, so there's a number to beat if you're doing it more than one round. A little motivation there, something to beat. Jacob is not throwing the ball back, because that's not fair. He's got to walk the ball back, and Nick gets to choose if he wants to go left, right, through his legs. He can go behind him if he wants. Through the legs is really embarrassing. Oh, there it goes. Perfect. That's the one that really hurts. Nice job. Keep it going, guys. We got a 2-minute round here. If you could do 3 rounds of this for 2 minutes, you're in pretty good fighting shape. Of course, this isn't a boxing stance, but it's a great cardiovascular drill either way. All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.